And welcome back, guys. Today we are installing a energy suspension shifter bushing set on the BRZ. We also have an mtec Industries shifter springs that will go straight into the transmission as well.
This is for all of Chris's subscribers. It's a great day off.
Hope everyone is doing well with this coronavirus. Stay inside, clean your hands, and always make sure that every time you go out, clean your hands as much as possible, because we don't want to get sick here. So with that time being, what you could do for me is like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and follow me on YouTube. Put that post notification sign on, the little bell. Every time I upload something, you'll be the first to be notified. I'm trying to make as much videos for you guys as much as possible. Currently, there's not a lot going on right now, so I'm trying to work on the BRZ to kind of get it ready for show season. God knows if that will happen, but there's a moth in here. But so let's get on to it, guys.
So guys, this is one of the first bolts that you have to take apart to do this project. It is a 12mm socket. It is definitely a tight squeeze up in here. There's 2 bolts in total. I've already unloosened both. It's located right behind the transmission. It's where your front pipe connects to your catback, and it's right above the diff. So once we get those 2 bolts out, there's one right there. Now we lost focus, but there's one right there, and there's one on the following side. So once I get those 2 out, I'll show you the next process. So to make the process a lot easier, to take the stock bushing out, people say online to take the drive shaft bracket out. So this bolt right here is a 14mm socket, and there's one on the other side. It will drop the drive shaft a little bit lower, so you can take the bushing right out. So guys, we actually had to do a lot more work than I thought I had to do. So I had to actually disassemble my exhaust. If you have a 3-inch exhaust, you actually won't be able to get to that bolt. But the bracket did come out, and it's somewhere around here somewhere. I don't know where I just put it. Put it somewhere. Oh, here it is. I will show you what a comparison to the energy suspension one and the stock one. So guys, here is the stock bushing. As you can see, it's metal, and it has just some this material inside here. This one is completely chopped. It's completely shit at this point. So if you took a comparison between this one and this one's going to be a lot better. So I actually highly recommend doing this. So on the kit, it comes with the bushing. It comes with these 2 little brackets that slide right into here, like so. Then your new fucking bolt that bolts to the frame. 1, 2, and that'll be it. So I'm going to go put this in some hot water, get it a little bit softened up so it slides right on good. So guys, there is the new bushing right there. Your best bet is to boil the shit out of it, because you won't really be able to get it on without boiling it. It will loosen up the rubber so it slides right on. And then everything else is bolted up. The drive train bracket is back on. I put the exhaust back on. It's really hard to see down here. It's not a lot of room. Sorry about that.
So guys, I'm actually going to do the shift springs tomorrow. It is around like 9:30 right now. I'm tired and I'm really gross and dirty. Don't really feel like doing it. So I'm going to pick up with this back up tomorrow in the daytime so you can see as clear as day. Alright, I'll see you then. Welcome back, guys. This is part 2 of the energy suspension shifter, the bushings, and the mtec Industry shift springs. So the tools you will be needing is a 10mm Allen key and a 23mm socket. So you can get shallow or deep. It is quite difficult to get up in there. All you're going to really need to do is take out the fiberglass under tray that goes right before the front pipe and the front pipe and the mid plate. That one right there, as you can see right there, that one will have to come out so you can get up in there. Come off. This is the undershield that will get you access to all the bolts that you need to take out. So there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 bolts holding this shield in. There should be one on this side, but my undershield is ripped to shreds. I actually have it zip tied right up here against the transmission bracket to hold the bottom piece up. But anyways, this bolt right here on the sides is usually a 12mm, and then all in the center or 11mm sockets, which is right here. I think mine are not even really that tight, to be really honest with you. No, they're not. They're not even that tight. So these bolts right here are all 11s. They should come right off. I'm really untwisting it by hand because this one I can't. But so guys, after the shield is taken out, where you see the Allen key, that is the bolt you need to take out. It is a 10mm Allen key. It's located on the back of the transmission. So guys, here's the old shifter spring right here. To get it out of the hole, you're going to need a flexible magnet to get it out. Here's the bolt that was holding it in place. There'll be a little bit of gunk on it. Just clean it off before you put it back on. And then with the new ones, match up the right spring to the new one. You don't want to mix match. So guys, on the opposite side, on the passenger side of the car. So guys, this is it out. To get the spring, you basically pop up on like this. This is the capsule, and then the spring comes right out. See? So match it up to the new spring. Make sure you clean your hands, shit like that. Take the new spring out, throw it back into the hole, grab the little cap that goes on, and slide it right on top. And then boom, you're all done. So at this point, just grab around the sides. There'll be Loctite on this. You can apply new Loctite. I probably will. Just grab new Loctite and just apply it. It's always good to redo the steps that were done before you started taking it apart, so nothing does come undone on the car. So get this all nice cleaned up, put some Loctite on it, and put it back in the car. So guys, the shift springs are in, the bushing is in. On a scale of 1 to 10, this should take you about maybe an hour to do with both of them together. If you're doing it separately, it should take about 30 minutes. On a scale of 1 to 10, if it's like rating it of how difficult it would probably be around a 5. Not that difficult. But that is the end of the video. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe, guys. I'll see you later.